Hey, English learners! Want to speak English like a native? In this video, you'll practice 15 real-life conversations with simple questions and answers. Perfect for beginners. Stick around and you'll sound natural and confident in no time.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3, next to the milk.
Thank you. Do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf. We also have white bread and multigrain.
Oh, great. I think I'll take the whole wheat. How much is it?
It's $2.50 per loaf.
That sounds good. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. We accept cards and cash.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi, welcome to Coffee Time. What would you like to order?
Hi, I'll have a medium cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
I'd like it hot, please.
Great. Anything to eat?
Do you have any muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate, and banana muffins.
I'll take a chocolate muffin.
No problem. Your total is $5.20.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap your card on the machine.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and playing the guitar. How about you?
I enjoy cooking and watching movies.
That's nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I love comedies. They make me laugh and feel happy.
Me too. Do you have a favorite actor?
I really like Jackie Chan. His movies are funny and full of action.
That's true. He's very talented.
What about books? What do you read?
I like adventure and mystery books.
Sounds interesting. I should try reading more.
What time does our English class start?
It starts at 8:30 in the morning.
Who's our teacher today?
Mr. John. He is always funny and helpful.
Oh, I like him. Do we have any homework to hand in?
Yes, we need to bring our completed worksheets.
I finished mine last night. Did you?
Almost. I just need to do one more question.
Let's do it together during break.
Good idea.
Hi, Sophie. How was your weekend?
It was good. I went to the park with my kids. You?
I stayed home and cleaned the house. It was relaxing.
That sounds productive. Did you do anything fun?
Not really, but I watched a nice movie in the evening.
Nice. Are you busy today?
Not too much. Just catching up on emails and reports.
Same here. Let's grab coffee later.
Sure. Let's go at 3.
Hi, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks and turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, It's only a 5-minute walk. You'll see a big sign.
Thank you so much. Is there a bus stop near the station?
Yes, it's right in front of the station.
Perfect. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a headache.
I see. How long have you felt this way?
For about 3 days now.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. Around 38 degrees.
Let me check your temperature and throat. Say, ah. Looks a bit red. I'll give you some medicine. Take it twice a day.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Drink lots of water and get some rest.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Cambodia.
Okay. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, 1 suitcase and 1 carry-on bag.
Please place the suitcase on the scale. It's 18 kilograms. That's fine.
Great.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B7. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Ella.
Nice to meet you, Ella. I'm Tom.
Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Australia. And you?
I'm from Cambodia. How long have you been here?
For 2 months now. I'm working as a teacher.
That's great. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. The people are kind and the food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Hey, Niran, can you help me with this grammar question?
Sure. What is it?
When do I use have been instead of was?
Good question. Use have been for actions that started in the past and still continue.
Oh, like I have been learning English for 2 years. Exactly. And was is for something that happened and finished?
Yes, like I was tired yesterday.
Got it. Thanks, Niran.
Anytime.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Hello. Yes, I'm ready. What do you recommend today?
Our grilled chicken with vegetables is very popular. It's healthy and tasty.
That sounds good. I will try the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like it spicy or mild?
Mild, please.
And what would you like to drink?
Just water, thank you. Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, we do. Still or sparkling?
I'll have sparkling water, please.
Perfect. Would you like to see the dessert menu after your meal?
Yes, please. I love desserts.
Wonderful. I'll bring your order soon. If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you very much. Hello, welcome to Fashion World. Can I help you find something today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a shirt for work.
Sure. What color do you prefer?
I like blue or white shirts.
Great. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium.
Perfect. Here are some blue and white shirts in medium size.
Thank you. Can I try this blue shirt on?
Of course. The fitting room is just over there to the right.
Thanks. How much is this shirt?
That shirt is $25.
Okay, I'll try it and decide.
Take your time. If you need a different size or color, just ask.
Thanks for your help.
Hello?
Hi, Linda. It's Mike. How are you today?
Hi, Mike. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. What do you have in mind?
I was thinking we could watch a movie or maybe have lunch together?
That sounds fun. I'd prefer lunch. Where shall we go?
There's a new cafe downtown. Would you like to try it?
Sure. What time should we meet?
How about 12:30 in the afternoon?
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Great. I'll text you the details.
Thanks, Mike. Talk to you soon.
Hi, Ben. What's the weather like today?
Hello, Anna. It's sunny and warm. Around 30 degrees Celsius.
That's nice. Do you think it will rain later?
No, the weather forecast says it will stay clear all day.
Great. I want to go for a walk this afternoon.
That's a good idea. Just remember to wear sunscreen.
Thanks for the advice. I don't want to get sunburned.
You're welcome. Enjoy your walk.
I will. Good morning, Sarah. What time do you usually wake up?
Good morning, Lena. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day.
That's early. What do you do after you wake up?
I take a shower, eat breakfast, and then go to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. and start work at 9 a.m.
That's a good schedule, too. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do yoga or take a short walk.
That's great. I like jogging in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
I should try jogging too. Thanks for the idea.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing every day, and you will speak English better and better.